After that is when we rushed. I called my neighbor who lives upstairs, but she wasn't around. The caretaker called the owner of the building. I saw this lady who lives upstairs. She said that she told the guy to leave his house, but he jumped.
Okay, what I know is that my brother was taken by police from the crime of scene to mortuary, to the hospital, to St. Francis Hospital, where he was pronounced dead on arrival. Then he was taken to mortuary. I don't know any other information on the circumstances that led to his death.
What we are appealing as our family, friends and relatives is justice for Mike, especially for the kid that has been left, and the wife Emma. We want really justice to prevail. We want speedy investigations, and we want to know the truth. What killed Mike? Because this wasn't a very normal death.